Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to sign up for FuboTV and get an account with a subscription. So what we're going to do is head on over to google.com and we're going to search for FuboTV. And once we search for FuboTV, it should be the top result that shows up in our Google search. So we're going to click on that. This sends us over to the FuboTV homepage, and I'll also link this page down in the description if you want to check it out through there. But at this point, what we want to do is click on where it says Start Free Trial to set up our account. So it says, welcome to FuboTV. You're just a few short steps away from streaming the best live sports and entertainment, so we're going to click Next. On the next page, you're going to create an account to start watching, so enter in an email that you want associated with your Fubo account, a password, as well as your home zip code. After entering in this information, we're going to click on where it says Continue. The next step is to choose a plan, and they have a lot of live sports. That's kind of Fubo's thing. You get 7 days free on any plan to try it out. There's no commitment to start, and you can cancel at any time. So we're going to click on Next. And no matter what plan you end up choosing, you can always change this later on. And you can look at the details of each of these plans by clicking on the Details option. So for me, I'm going to start out with the Pro option and then click on Continue. So then that takes us to the next page where it says upgrade your plan without paying more. You can switch to quarterly billing and get more at no extra charge. And this is actually a really great benefit because actually one of the main reasons why I was considering getting one of the higher tier packages is because I wanted to get NBA TV and the tennis channel as well as ESPN News. And all of these you'll get for free if you pay quarterly instead of paying monthly. So that's a nice option to have. So for me, I'm going to select the pay quarterly option to get these 8 extra channels. And then I'm going to click Next. And then step 3 is setting up your payment. You won't be charged until your free trial ends, so that's after 7 days, and they'll remind you a day before it's over so that you know when to expect that charge. So again, we're going to click Next. To start your free trial, enter in your payment information, so the first name and last name on your card info, as well as your billing zip code. And then after my free trial 7-day period, this is how much I will be charged, and this charge will last me for 3 months. And if that all looks good, you can go here towards the bottom and click on where it says Start Free Trial. You can also try different add-on packages for free with your free trial, and you can cancel anytime. It shows you these different channel packages and then how much it would cost after your free trial. So you can look through these and see if you'd like to add any of them. I might consider adding NBA League Pass. But whether you add these or not, you can always skip this and do this later if you'd like to take some more time to look through these different add-on options and see if you'd like to add them or not to your FuboTV account. So I'm going to skip this by clicking on this button. And then that takes us right into the FuboTV profiles page. So I'm going to click on my profile right here. If you'd like to find channels faster, you can choose your favorites and move them around in the guide. So for me, I'm going to go through and favorite some of my top channels. So I'm going to do that with ESPN, FS1, essentially just going through here and starring all the channels that I think I'll be watching more often than others. And then after doing that, we can click Continue. And never miss a game. They'll record your favorite teams. So you can select your favorite teams to have them record games for. And then Continue. And then you can record and watch later, so choosing your favorite shows, and they'll add new episodes to your recordings. You can do that through selecting different shows in here, but you can also do this later when you're going through your guide to record shows that you'd like to have saved. And then we can click Done at the bottom. Now you're all set up and ready to go with your FuboTV account, and you can log in using your credentials on your smart TV, or you can watch on the FuboTV app on your smartphone, tablet, or you can watch in a web browser on your computer. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up for a FuboTV account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.